G'day, it's Craig from Australian Direct and welcome to the KickAss workshop where everything gets repaired, tested. It's where we do our homework here. I'll give you a bit of a tour. As you can see up here, we've got a whole heap of spare parts and bits and pieces for repairs that we use for fixing stuff. Obviously this is our desk that we do all the boring work. If you walk up through the shop here, as you can see we've got our toolbox with all the tools. A little project I'm doing at the moment is doing a little bit of wiring and I wire some gauges up. So yeah, basically as soon as we get something into the workshop here, this is where it all gets looked at and repaired. New products that come in, we do all our testing in-house and to make sure everything's okay before you guys get the product. Have a brief look around. As I said, it's quite a nice little workshop we've got in here. And this is the other side of the workshop here too. This is where the engineering department, where they design all the electronics that we do in-house. So they've got all the little flash machines that go bing. They do all the testing on everything that's happening in here, all the fun electronic stuff. So this is where all the KickAss stuff actually gets designed here in Australia in the engineering side of the workshop as well. It's a great little fun place to work down here in the workshop. Cheers.